To do the funny water trick, you gotta build a doohickey like this. Ooh, look. This is where Super Mario is gonna like do his thingy. But unfortunately for Super Mario, there's a foreground here. Oh, evil foreground. It's in the way. You can't see it. And basically the big idea is to use a silly trick with water. So let's just like make a quick mock-up that will match the water with the sky. So you can't really see it. Ish. This is fine. And basically, you need this one, either this one or the render in front one, depending on if you want shading or not, to render in front. Make this overlap a whole level. So like, oh, you don't really notice things really far. But the real fun part happens when you lose the water. And so yeah, you copy it, render in front now. Now boom! Everything's transparent. Whoa, how the hell? So most people do not want the level to be entirely transparent. So here's where the I key comes in handy. And you want to trace out where all of your ground blocks are. This is where like designing a level can get kind of cringe, man, because it really limits what tiles you can use. And if your background's 0, instead of using like your actual background, you're gonna use like the black, like a darker tile. Let's use just like a darker grass. Forgot that there's 2 layers of ground. Okay, so now you see like it's darker. But now let's say you wanna activate this on a whim. Here's where water taps come in handy. Also, yeah, that's another bug. Is that water taps just it's not a bug, but it's a necessary evil with this trick. So you need to rename your big water, which will activate whatever. It could be either render in front or render in back. You need both on the screen at one time. So name it whatever you want. Old classic. And basically, what you want to do is lose it. And you just want it to be like on the screen. Make sure like the speed is maximum. Get as tall as you want to make the tags correct. And you're gonna want like the offset. Let's make it like 5,000. I think should work. Horizontal should. Maybe we do it vertical. Yeah, see, it switches the water over now. So make it invisible. And what you want to do is you want to add one here. That's for like a entry mark. When you enter, this thing will go transparent. You also want an exit, so when you leave, it reverses. So just make it like offset, whatever. That's a big number. Now, go to I actually made it too big. This one will turn on when you enter. This one will turn on when you leave. Now the hard part of eating this trick is finding the ground to make it useful. Like sometimes it'll make objects, sometimes it'll make them like this one. Adjust it to make it work better. So you do that. And now for rain. So you have this little bug right away. And now the rain kind of flickers, which is cool. Thumbs up. Now the way I do this is, if I can find it, there's 2 pieces of fire. One of them's really tall. Make sure you look at that. So burning time is like 0.1. Retracted time 2. It's not reversed. Offset's like this. Rotation's like that. Whatever else. Scale. Think of all that. Now for the other friend, fire, which is about, like, let's see. Should be, if I didn't move this one. So yeah, this one's right here. And yeah, these are the 2 levels. So there's about a, for the rain I used, it's about a 6 tile gap between each piece of rain. And they reach about this tall. But yeah, for the first rain, for the bottom rain, here's what you need. And you need them overlapping. For the top rain, here's what you need. Different offset. Not reverse still though. And that happens so that if you combine them, it makes rain. But notice how like the offset's like 2.25 versus spot the raindrop challenge versus 0.3. If you look at a different rain, it's 0.1. It's because these rain droplets need to have different offset values, otherwise it won't work. You get a pretty